On that, if you need it to be smoother than that, you're probably better off just sanding it.
Yeah.
Because you'll spend less time sanding it than printing at higher resolutions.
And how much is the unit?
2200.
Wow.
You can get them cheaper, especially if you get a kit that you put together yourself.
But that's not, that's for that kind of resolution. That's
Yeah.
very reasonable.
And how much are these? You know, what's a spool cost?
Spool is between 30 and 50 per kilogram.
Per kilogram. And so these
So
are
that's
what,
right.
like 5 kilograms or something? Or
No, these are each a kilogram. This probably costs about maybe 30, 40 cents. I don't know exactly because I don't have a scale, but I haven't weighed this one.
So is this printing in assembly?
That one had to be assembled separately because
What about this one?
that one prints all at once, so does this one. The only real limitation to printing all at once is that all the pieces need to be supported. So for instance, this one, if you tried to print it, most of this isn't actually touching the surface. So it wouldn't actually have a flat surface to print on. This one, by contrast, is flat on either side, so it just prints as it is.
how long did it take to make one of these? You know, is that how long did it?
These ones probably about an hour and a half, all said and done. These ones, hour and 50 minutes. You could print it faster. You could tell the machine to go basically as fast as you want to tell it to go. But you can damage the machine if you tell it to go too fast. And also, the faster you tell it to go, the less reliable the prints tend to be.
So with a piece like this, can it print? I mean, does it always have to be on a flat surface? Can you start from a point and work your way up?
You can start from a small surface and work out, but it has to have something flat to sit on. Like you wouldn't be able to just print this from a point because it wouldn't have anything to stick to.
Right, it has to have at least 3 points or so.
But you can start with a very small flat surface and then have like, you know, a reverse conical shape.
Build off of that and then turn it to size or whatever.
And yeah, it does. Like this has somewhat of an overhang, but it could actually do much sharper overhangs than that before it starts losing a couple of these. This and this are from. These are both. That one took about an hour.
They're making now this one.
Did you have to put it together? Like did the pieces print separately or did it print?
Yeah. Now I start with.
I've never actually seen one of these printed, but I've seen videos of them printed.
So you said it's cost about like 2200?
Yep.
And how much cost to print?
Not very much. This is probably about 30 cents.
So
Generally, any 3D program can export to a few universal files.
like ArchiCAD, ArchiCAD is okay?
Does that export to .obj files?
Yeah.
Yeah, those would be fine.
Yeah, so I give you a file and you can print. Okay, and you said it's cost like 40 cents per hour or something like that.
Oh no, I mean this costs 40 cents a material.
Material, yeah. How much costs your service?
Generally, for the printer, $5 an hour.
$5 per hour.
And then for any design time that I need to put into it, which would be minimal if you give me a object file,
Okay.
that would be $20 an hour for design stuff.
It's not bad. And you can make this design too, if I guess?
Yeah, with the exception of this and this, I've designed everything here.
Oh, you designed this, yeah. Okay.
This is what I'm working on now. This is the...
And what program are you using for designing this?
Lightwave.